Lively, bawdy, and steeped in tradition, music in Colonial Virginia echoed the pulse of a growing new world.
Revolution 250, Stories from the First Shore, chronicling America's semi-quincentennial through the people, actions, and ideas that shaped our country.
In Colonial Virginia, music was everywhere, from kitchens to churches to battlefields. Much of it came from oral traditions, ballads, and drinking songs, telling tales of love, politics, war, and everyday life, handed down through generations. The music reflected the colony's roots, with English, Scottish, and African influences blending into a vibrant soundtrack. Taverns rang with bawdy verses, often addressing the politics and gossip of the moment. Enslaved people brought the banjo from Africa, leaving an indelible mark on American musical traditions. And upper-class parlors were filled with the sounds of European chamber music. Due to Virginia's rural nature, isolated estates became their own cultural hubs, and music played a central role in family life. Men often played flute or violin, while women favored voice and guitar. Both learned the harpsichord. Westmoreland County's Robert Carter III played a variety of instruments and often performed family concerts with his children. European traditions of religious music also continued to evolve in the region. Bruton Parish in Williamsburg installed an organ in 1755, and its first organist, Peter Pelham, began a tradition of public candlelight concerts that continues to this day. Whether rowdy or refined, Virginia's music was the heartbeat of colonial life, setting the stage for a culture on the brink of revolution.
This has been Revolution 250, Stories from the First Shore. To learn more about this and other events of the revolutionary age of America, visit whro.org/USA250.